Hello ma'am, sir. Have a nice day. I am Aladin Rapanan Antonio from Philippines. I'm 37 years old. I have already 3 sons and 1 daughter. I was working in Saudi Arabia as a boy helper in chicken poultry company. In 4 years working in the Saudi Arabia since 2016 to 2020. We currently work now here in Philippines in driver helper in Pepsi Cola Company, Philippines. Ma'am, sir, if you heard me, I promise I do my best and I will not let you to regret. I hope you heard me. Thank you and God bless you all.